Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Malia Sadka. Today I am presenting the book review of Teaching Thinking by stunning writer Edward G. Bono. First part will be discussed by me. And the first chapter is that what is thinking? Actually it's an exploration. If I ask you 1 plus 4 is equal to what? Then definitely you will use your mind, you will use your mathematical information, and then you will give me the answer. So it's an exploration of your ideas, your mind maps and your concepts. It's a very important term that matters a lot in your life. It makes you able to design the world, to deal the world according to your plans, your objectives and your desires. If we talk about the thinking skills, it is very difficult to say that thinking is a skill. Actually it's an ability of a person to think skillfully, to think efficiently. If I extract the meaning from the word thinking, T stands for true, H stands for helpful, I stands for inspiring, N stands for necessary, and K stands for kind. All these attributes and all these abstracts make your thinking skillfully. If we talk about thinking skills, there is a famous quote by William Villan, and that is, a person who asks question, a person who thinks. It means if you manipulate your mind, if you use your mind, if you explore your mind, then definitely you will question to the teacher or to a person. If we talk about thinking tools, when you go to a tire shop, you saw a lot of tools there. Similarly, thinking tools have their unique properties and specialities. They may be observations, they may be judgments, and they may be concepts or mind maps, etc. If we talk about examples of thinking in a real life or in a practical life, then you should debate on a topic, and the topic is that teacher get paid. If I make two groups, then both groups work on this and get the terms like teacher get paid, they have less holidays, they can go on strike, they can eat during work or on workplace, they get paid for teaching. So the question arises here is that what is the matter goes in such a way? Do you think about it? Do you manipulate your mind that teacher get paid? If you manipulate your mind, then definitely you will get the answer of your question, that is teacher get paid, they have less holidays, they go on strike, and etc. and so on. If we talk about thinking errors, you know what, according to writer, thinking is difficult, so that's why people start judgment. Writer Edward G. Bono said that fault-free thinking is called good thinking, error-free thinking is called good thinking. Just like your computer errors, some sort of error may be present in your mind or in your thinking, so you should have to minus them. They may be different types. They include partialism, they include time scale, they may be egocentricity, initial judgment, adverse thinking, arrogance. If you want to think efficiently, you should minus all these points. If we talk about thinking approach or approaches to thinking, means how can we think, how our mind manipulate, how our brain work, how stimuli force us to think. There are a lot of approaches like puzzles, like games, like debates, like discussions, a lot of examples in approaches of thinking. If I talk about myself, it's a byproduct of subjects because I am a chemistry student, so I will correlate it with my subject. So you should also try to correlate it with your subject or subject of interest. It will enhance your mental abilities, your thinking power, it will increase your debate power, it will increase your discussion abilities. So this book will help you to think efficiently. It's a very unique term that thinking is a thinking. Actually thinking is beyond a word. It's a mental term, or it's a term related to mind of a person, that how a person think and how a person manipulate or how a person use his mind. So I tried my best to get essence of this book. Please like and subscribe. If you have any query, you can ask in the comment box. I will definitely answer your question. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. Tata.